Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. In today's video, we are going to have some cleaning and organizing motivation coming your way. So I do want to start off with just washing my bedding. This has been on my to-do list. And then I'm also going to organize my husband's cabinet in the bathroom. I've been wanting to do that. I had picked up some more home edit organizers, so we're gonna do that. And then I'm also gonna be sharing an evening cleaning routine. So what I like to do before I organize a space is clean first. So I'm just tidying up the area, wiping down the mirrors, and also cleaning the sinks because they need it. And then we're gonna go ahead and organize through his products.
We're in trances, going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like the drive, get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. Oh, in transit.
All right, so I went ahead and picked up another home edit system, and this has the 2 large bins and all the insert bins that go inside. I will find the link to this and link it down below if you're interested. First, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum because I didn't want to sit on the floor with hair or anything like that.
I'm not home. I wanna know, can we trust the stars above to let us know? Let go. You only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder.
So I always start by taking everything out of a space to organize it so I see what I'm working with. I'm also going to be wiping down the products as I go through them. I did make a pile of things I wanted my husband to go through so I don't throw away anything he wanted to keep. And then I also wipe the inside of the cabinet down. So I have decided that my goal upload date is Saturdays, and I just feel like a lot of you guys are watching on that day, and it usually works for me. It's been a little bit easier to do that, even though I didn't upload yesterday. I'm so sorry, but this past week was super busy as we celebrated our birthdays and lots of celebrations with different friends and family and just other life things. You guys know how it is. So I am going to continue the Saturday uploads. So my next video is a weekly reset video. I love making those videos just a little bit different, more routine style, sharing a little bit of different content besides just the cleaning and organizing. So stay tuned for that. And then I also have another spring cleaning video, which is probably my final one, but I have a list of things in my notes that I need to spring clean. And then I think we'll be all set for the spring cleaning of 2023. So leading up to this, I was way more confident, thinking that this was not going to be that challenging, but he has different items than I usually organize. And I also wanted to prioritize items that he uses daily on the top, but at the same time, you have to organize it where it fits in these organizers. I was trying to make it nice and organized, but practical at the same time. So here's the end result. This is a game changer. It was a hot mess before, but now it is minimized, clean, organized, and my husband's very happy about it. I was so eager to show him. Now we're gonna go ahead and make my bed because my bedding was done washing and drying.
To me, closer than my own heart. And all I want, let me go, set me free. At the same time, don't want you far. I just wanna be a little closer. Still wanna get over all the things you make me feel. I know you want me for a second. Next, you wanna get down. Know that we will never be real. We never love in the right way, in the right time, at the right spot, in the right state of mind. We never love in the right way, in the right time, at the right spot, in the right state of mind.
So it is evening time, and I actually started this video later in the afternoon because I had some work related things to do all day. So I was actually really tired when I filmed this video, but I was determined to get some of these things done. Plus I wanted to go to bed with a clean house. It just feels better the next day, but it does not always happen over here. So I have been trying to stick with it. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to take a little bit of time and get what I can done. If it all doesn't get done, that's totally fine, but just do what I can.
The only
So I'm using the Scrub Daddy paste to clean my sink, and I've been using it for a little while, but I'm curious to know what you guys are using right now. If there's like a new product, I like to switch up my products so I don't get bored. I know they say if it's not broken, don't fix it, but there's tons of cleaning products out there and I like trying new ones. So if you have a specific one that you're using for your sink, I'd love to know.
The only reason I keep sneaking out at night, keep wishing you would kiss me under city lights. I know you feel it every time I look at you. How I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love. Coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck. Coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck. Trying to steal your heart. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you. Coming to get you.
So I'm going to finish off with vacuuming the floors and getting that done, but that is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. I do apologize. It is on the shorter side, but like I said, I was so drained that day, so I'm really shocked that I even got what I got done, the organizing, washing my bedding, doing the evening routine on this day because I was so tired. But I am really glad that I pushed myself because the end result is always so satisfying. I would love for you to subscribe if you're new, and for everyone else, go ahead and comment down below and say hi, and I will see you guys in my weekly reset video. Bye guys.
So I just wonder, why do I fall back to you? Really nothing I can do about it. Why do I fall back to you? It's like you're a drug to me, I can't quit. It's not like we're still 22.